Hello everyone, welcome to today's review. Hope to find you all well. And we are just 4 minutes and 20 seconds into the close. We are seeing right now Mud's big short squeeze. Big, nice action with spike on volume. Okay, we highlighted this candle here, okay, and on big volume spike up, also bullish options activity on the name, and those calls basically from 90 cents right now live at $1.20 bid. So on 10 contracts you're basically from $900 all the way into 1200. So congratulations, 3 minutes and 40 cents into the close. In my opinion, I would take profits on the way up. Just 3 minutes and 30 seconds into the close, I would start trimming profits. In my opinion, we are going into a big wall, and $1.35. Okay, $1.35 right now. Congratulations, everyone, on the trade. But honestly, I would be taking profits on the way up. So 3 minutes into the bell. Let's see how the market will close. It was a great day, great, crazy, insane day. So basically, to review, we are going to see in a couple of minutes how the market closed. Just to review some of the trades that I made today. Basically, starting with the first one on Johnson & Johnson, I was looking for a fading here. I basically short this candle here via puts early in the morning, out of the gate. Okay, out of the gate here. This candle, this candle, start trimming profits on the way down, and I closed everything in a couple of minutes. It was the wise thing to do because after that it bounced. I also tried to flip into some calls playing for upside, but the premium was getting killed, so basically I decided to step out of the trade. No follow through, didn't break higher, also no big pullback, so right now it's killing the premium for both longs and shorts. I also got some Intel calls. Okay, those calls actually worked very well, closed a bit too soon. What was the rationale? We were seeing here a bullish reversal candle, goes below yesterday lows, push back above, printing a higher low here. So I was looking from higher low, start making higher highs. Worked very well and resume back, and right now into the highs of the day. Those calls are in the money, were call 62.5, and they are right now in the money. Congratulations to the traders that held the trade. Another one was on Apple, okay, and I was playing with out of the money calls, and those worked very well. I held the position here on this. It was actually painful, but it held, and it gave more time for the traders on the room to load up the boat. So I got calls here, I got more calls here, and I was able to go at 32 cents on calls out of the money, calls 135 at 32 cents. And on the move up, I start trimming profits. I doubled my position here. It was a very nice big scalp, okay, with far out of the money and big move, and I closed everything above 50 cents. So congratulations to the traders that also got into that trade with me. Datadog, another one that I got. Let me see here. I got here on this move. I got some out of the money, saw some bullish options activity on the name, get in at 42 cents, start trimming profits above 50 cents, and close everything. So I also congratulations to everyone. And another beauty from that we got today was on VAC. VAC that I saw bullish options activity on the name, also some volume here, and stocks start making higher lows. From higher lows, what you should expect, higher highs. So the market is closed. We are going to review the rest of the action in a couple of minutes, and it was the rationale was an oversold bounce, and also fueling a big short squeeze on the name. Okay, and it worked very well on VAC. It was calls, I believe it was calls 38, okay, I believe it was calls 38 at I start loading at $1.20 plus, okay, and right now those calls at the end of the day $2.88, okay. Last trade. I closed a bit too soon, but once again, trading for a living. I generate my cash flow, get in, get out, ride the momentum the best I can. The first target was $40. It hit first target, actually closed above $40.40. Not able to go into the next target. Next target would be around $44, but that would be a big move. The stock already up more than 7% on the day. Congratulations to everyone. Also at the end of the day, I tried cute short, trying to fade here small caps into the end of the day. Here from the resistance 221.8, looking for a possible fading, but the market read pretty much strong, so I got stopped out. It happens, part of trading. If you have defined risk, have plenty of trades during the day, so I could be able to expand a little bit, trying to catch a cute short, trying to call for a pullback. Did not happen, so I took my loss. $200 loss, so I take it and move on. Okay, so the market was closed, and now what? The big question is now what? If you remember yesterday at 3 p.m. on the private channel, okay, 3 p.m. on private channel, I said, watch out. Okay, let me see if I can find that post for you. I believe it was at 3 p.m. Let me see if I can find from the screenshot. Okay, here. Okay, basically, possible short-term traps yesterday 304. Possible short-term traps at today lows. Manage risk wisely. If short, it's wise to trim profits and adjust stops. So basically, what I was saying, possible bear trap. If you were short, start covering your position, because we can reverse back down and keep shorts trapped at yesterday lows. So this was at 304, gave 56 minutes into the close to cover the position, okay? And what we saw today, boom, bullish reversal candle. So bears got trapped here on small caps at yesterday lows. Also, let's move into the SPYs. Bears got trapped at yesterday lows. See here, double bottom, and bounce. Higher low today, and boom, goes back up. Also, from today trading plan, okay, from today trading plan, it was, let me see if I can find also the chart. I have here the original chart. Let me see. I have here the original chart on the. Let me see if I can find. Where is SPY? SPY. Looking for SPY. Okay. Another one at SPY today 4:33 a.m. So on the stock chart channel, private free channel on Discord, every day from Monday to Thursday, early in the morning, I gave the charts that I have on my watch list and also the trading plan behind it. So what do I say here? I say SPY yesterday morning, lots of bearish flow, push price right into that $410, 410, this level here. That's the line in the sand. What means line in the sand? That's the line that separates bulls from bear. Bearish below, bullish above. Okay? Bull case needs 412.5 to try above 415. If bears keep price below 412, watch 410. And if it breaks below 410, watch out 405, 403, and $400. So the trading plan is very precisely, okay? So I give the levels. 412.5 for the bull case, price below 412, watch 410. So let's see the charts and see what the hell happened here, okay? What we see that SPY basically opened at 411.5, hit the low at 411.36. So after the market open, okay, what we see, buying here, buying here. They try to push back into the lows, but not able, and start making new highs on the day, okay? higher highs, higher lows, that's actually bullish, okay? And what we have yesterday, double bottom, okay? Double bottom here, 410. Today, after the market open, higher low versus 410, higher low, 41136. After that, starts making new highs on the day and goes from green to red to green, okay? And starts pushing higher. 412.5, it was the target. So here, okay, here at 412.5, it was the target to go long, looking for a move above 415 dollars. And what we see, close at 415.98. So the trading plan worked very, very well, very precisely. Held above 410, goes above and push above 415. It was the level. Now what? Now, if it's going to stick, I cannot predict the future. Okay, no one can. Most of the traders and some traders got trapped because they didn't read what I said yesterday at 3:04 p.m. I said that if you are short, start trimming your profits, adjust your stops because shorts can get trapped at the lows of the day. That was yesterday, 56 minutes, plenty of time to cover the position into the close. And today, what I started with Johnson & Johnson puts. Those worked very well, but I getting Apple calls and looking for upside. Also said 412.5 level to break higher, and that worked very, very well. Now what? If the bulls really want it, we need new all-time highs. So we need above 416.3 to the highs of the day, trying to make new all-time highs. Okay, that's the bull case, to keep the bull case intact. But we need to be prepared. If we are traders, and we need to build the trading plan. If this happens, I will do this. If that happens, I will do that. Okay, and that's why we need to be prepared for the case that we make a lower high. Okay, if tomorrow or on a Friday price not able to go and make new all-time highs, we can have here a lower high. From lower high, we can roll over once again, and the first support will be 413, the 8-day moving average, okay? That's the bear case scenario. And from there, what can have? Another rollover and push back into 410. But we need to see it. Right now, this was an oversold bounce. It worked very well, closed the TIs, but no one can predict what the hell is going to happen next. So stay safe. Also, don't forget that next week we are going to big tech names earnings, okay? And today the cubes actually printed a big bullish reversal candle, okay? Goes below yesterday lows of the day, push back above, coils here above the 8-day moving average 337.6, and goes into the last minutes into new highs of the day, going into 339. Now what? Bull case needs above 340 and needs to take out 342. Is it going to happen? No clue. No one has a clue what the hell is going to happen. The same thing that no one, lots of people, and it's kind of funny because before earnings, before Netflix earnings, a lot of people talking on the positions they were going and into earnings, everyone going long on the stock, and after the market closed and Netflix got wiped out, lots of people goes into silence, okay, crickets, because everyone got trapped, okay, and no one can really predict what the hell is going to happen next. So what, this is bullish? Yes, this is bullish, but one day it will not make a trend. We need continuation. We had some pullback here. Now we need to see, is it going to morph into something bigger? But what we need for the cubes and the spies to roll over, we need to print a lower high and roll over, going into filling the gaps, retesting 324, 325. That's possible. Yes, anything is possible on this market, but we need to see it. Right now we trade day by day, minute by minute, and that worked very, very well. So let's see some of the names Apple that I got today. Calls playing for upside, bullish reversal candle, recovers the 8-day moving average. Now what? If they want it, the price needs above 133.75 to go into 135. That's the big level ahead. Above that, we have 137, 138. Staying long while price above 132, okay, 132, the 8-day moving average, and 131, the line in the sand. Breaks above, can go and resume up. AMD today also very bullish action, bounced almost perfectly here from my support 78.8, the lows of the day 78.86. So basically they missed the support by 6 cents on a $78 stock. That's nothing, okay? Out of the gate, bullish candle here, starts making new highs on the day, goes from red to green. First target, 8-day moving average, $80. They stopped at $80, some calling here, and closed at the highs of the day. So congratulations everyone. Now what? Continues the range, printing higher lows, okay? 78 versus 77.9, higher lows. What we need still has this wall here, 83, 84 as the wall. Bull case needs above 84. Above that, watch out, big short squeeze. Bear case needs below 78. Okay, simple as that. Boeing today also printed a bullish reversal candle from a well calculated target here. Okay, from the last time goes into 231.7 and bounce. This time $230, so $230, $232 big area where the long-term traders are defending the lows and they bought once again. What is going to happen if they keep the momentum going? We can go back into above $240 in the next couple of sessions, but we need above today highs of today. Some more into the close, MUDs, very beautiful trade. Congratulations everyone. For me, get in, get out, and generate the cash flow. Today also, Playboy, what a great move here. So early in the morning, bullish options activity on the name. The stock, after yesterday, printed a bullish reversal candle. Yesterday, recovered the 8-day moving average. And today goes from red to green, goes above the 8-day moving average, above $37. And from there, higher lows, higher highs, bullish options activity. And what a big move. Congratulations everyone, okay? Congratulations on that one. What we have more, Tesla, what a great move also today. Bullish engulfing candle, if you remember today, on the private channel I said, possible bullish reversal candle, watch out. And what a beautiful, basically goes and opens on the red, bounce almost perfectly from my support line 698. The line was 699, goes, starts making higher lows. From there recovers the 8-day moving average, coiling here on the 8-day moving average into the close, ramp up. New highs, goes above yesterday highs of today, so keep the bull case pretty much intact. Huge move here on Tesla. Congratulations everyone. So overall, I believe that the market absorbed very well Netflix action. Okay, Netflix action. Also on the trading plan, it was a beautiful one. I said if price stays above $500, watch out for 514 gap to fill. This gap here, okay, 514. What happens? Goes into 515, fills the gap, and from there, some traders asked me, now what? What is the next target? And my answer was, I believe that the price, this was early today, during lunchtime, I believe. Price was around here, okay? Price was around here. And what I said, I believe that they will be killing the options premium. What do I mean with that? Basically, keep the price on a range, okay? This will kill calls, this will kill puts. So, what do I mean? Stay out of Netflix for now. Let that premium get sucked, get killed, and look for other names. There are plenty of names today. For example, another name that I gave some on the private channel, some scalps here, some calls on Baba, okay? And those work very well. See, stock goes, tries to break, not able, finds some buyers, starts making here, okay? Here, higher lows, from higher lows what you should expect, higher highs, and that's exactly what the stock doing, and closed at the highs of the day. Now what? If they really want, it needs above today highs of today above $230 and can go into the next level 233. Okay, but we need to see it. Okay, so overall, I believe that the market absorbed very well Netflix earnings, but we are going into next week into big earnings season, big tech names. We have Apple, we have Amazon, we have Tesla, we have Facebook. Lots of names going to report next week. It's almost flip a coin. I don't like to flip coins, okay? This is not gamble. This is trading, okay? And gambling is when you don't have any clue what is going to happen. And on binary events, you can do a lot of research, but on binary events, no one has a clue how the stock will react to the earnings. Most important than the earnings itself is how the stock will react. Earnings can be bad, but if they say something or if analysts starts pumping up the stock can reverse back up and the skyrocket up and short squeeze everyone. The earnings can also be amazing, but already priced in and the price goes down. So it's always a flip a coin. No one has a clue what the hell is going to happen. That's why I prefer to wait after earnings to see if I can get a trade there. Okay, Netflix for me, for my own risk management, the options pricing was too expensive, and I believe that they are going to kill the premium. Exactly what they are doing. They are killing the premium, keeping here on the range above the lows, below the highs. Boom, kills everyone. Okay, wait, let price to rebuild once again. Goes below $500, can roll over. Goes above 515, can go above 520. But let price here digest a little bit the move, and from there we will reevaluate. Okay, so overall today bulls show up. They got very active. Going into tomorrow, I'm going with open-minded. No positions overnight, staying mostly cash. Continue generating the cash flow. I didn't put on the long-term money to work because I'm waiting for a possible the next big correction. It will happen. It can take 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, 1 year. It will happen. Another correction, fill some gaps down on the SPY, on the cubes. And I'll be looking with the money. I'm generating money, cash flow on a daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis. Push that money on the long-term account into cash. I'm on cash waiting for the correction. When the price starting to roll over, we coming from 5% from the highs. I put a little bit long shares, okay, not calls, not puts, long shares. Market corrects 10%, I put some more. Market corrects 15%, I put some more. Market corrects 20%, I double down. I put some more. Market goes 40% down as we saw last year. I put even more money. Okay, and I buy on the long-term portfolio. That's the approach. Not buying here, in my opinion. Once again, one thing is for trading. Okay, and this gave a very nice calculated move here on the SPYs. But in my opinion, it's a bit too extended, and I prefer lower prices. Will it happen? Probably. We don't know it. It's from where we are going to have the correction. Okay, so staying open-minded, keep day by day. Lots of traders that try to catch the knife on some of the names. I prefer to not catch a knife. Other traders that trying to call for a top, not calling for the top. Can we go higher? Yes, we can. We can make new all-time highs. Okay, don't forget that, for example, on the cubes, everyone with the yields, if you remember the yield saga on March, on the cubes, big correction on the cubes here. Everyone on February and on March concerned that Nasdaq was going to fall apart into bear market correction, and what we see, new all-time highs, boom, on the cubes. Okay, and everyone here, when it was at $300, was calling for the end of the world, and basically from $300 gone all the way into 342. Okay, new all-time highs. So staying open-minded, keep it as simple as possible. Generate cash flow on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. Put into the cash, protect your cash, and wait for the big correction. When that happens, you have money to put to work little by little. As soon as the market corrects 5%, 10%, 15%, 20%, you go start adding little by little until we have a confirmed bottom, and we put all the rest of the money on the long term. But the long term is for months, years ahead, not for day, not for hours, not for minutes. For that, you have active account, you have cash day trading account, and the trading account, that's for trading, not for long-term investment. Long-term investment is a different approach, okay? So with this said, the video is getting too much extended, but I believe I covered many things here, also the positions that and the trades that I did, and trying to explain a little bit the rationale behind that. Gave a little bit of overview on the market action and the mindset that I have going into tomorrow. Completely open-minded, blank sheet, waiting for the market. How the pre-market will be, if we are on the green, if we are going to give back the gains from the open, if tomorrow we gap up, are they going to fill the gap and go from green to red? That's a possible. Or hold on the gap up and squeeze into new all-time highs. That's also possible. If we open on the green, on the red, are we going from red to green to give follow through to today, or we are going to give back and going into today lows of the day? No one has a clue, okay? So we need to be how the pre-market is, how the first minutes of the day, how the money is flowing, if they are going to calls, puts, how the leaders are leading or not, and adjust the trading for the rest of the day based on that, okay? With this said, wish you all a great evening. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe and see you all tomorrow. Bye bye, everyone.